So in this video, I'm going to show you how to dip these cookies in chocolate. In front of you, I have a tray on the left with parchment. That's where the finished product goes. In the middle, I have my crystallized chocolate. Above that, I have a heat gun to make sure that I have the right temperature. I have a infrared thermometer to make sure I keep it at the right temperature, and a dipping fork at the bottom. On your right are these German printed Christmas cookies. Okay, so the chocolate is at the right temperature. I have a towel underneath so it doesn't move. So when we are dipping chocolate, we're going to have the presentation side down. We're going to dip our fork on the side. I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to just run up and down. I'm going to pull some of the chocolate off based on this surface tension. I'm going to lift up. I'm going to let some of the excess drop. I'm going to pull the side of the bowl, have more chocolate come off, and then we're going to put it down like so. Let's try this again. When we're dipping anything, we're going to go presentation side down. I'm going to flip this over with a fork, and I'm going to just go up and down. And using the surface tension, I'm going to pull some of the chocolate. I'm going to let a little bit of that drip. I'm going to run it off the side. I'm going to have the excess chocolate come off. And then I'm going just to place it here like so. So presentation down. I'm going to flip it over. Using the surface tension, I'm going to go up and down. I'm going to pull some of the chocolate off. I'm going to lift. I'm going to let that hang out. I'm going to use the side of my bowl to scrape everything down to just the excess. And then I'm going to place it right here like so.